The problem that we saw in procurement is that you often get very uneven quotes, so to say. You get quotes that are not necessarily comparable. You can't really compare apples to apples, because one would say the equipment would cost 80, but then we will bring it disassembled and you have to assemble it yourself. Plus there are some limitations on maintenance and spare parts, and so on and so on. So they would say it costs 80, but there is like 20 potential risks sitting on top. And then another vendor would say we can do it for 90, but there is 5 risks sitting on top. And those 20 and 5 risks, those need to be calculated as well. That's not a kind of obvious conclusion from the from the tender documents. So it's very difficult to compare apples to apples.